Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create crypto trading signal post using new polygon shapes. Create a dark matrix style background, then add a polygon custom shapes in the center. Turn on outer glow for neon effect, duplicate it and scale for layered neon waves. Use green neon for buy signals, red for sell, then place huge bold typography in the middle. Add crypto icons around the polygons. Use vertical bar shapes to simulate signal lines. Add price level using small boxes. Apply motion blur to neon shapes for energy. Add a call to action at the bottom.